Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and we're talking skin today. Time to get rid of all those scars. I had this horrible scar on my arm, and so I went searching for ways I can get rid of it. I had melanoma a few years ago, and this thing is driving me nuts. It's been 5 years, and it still looks horrible. When I was a little girl, I used to suck my thumb, and I used to scratch my face. I don't know why. I had my blanket, but I also did that with my fingernails. And I can't believe it. That was when I was 3 and 4 years old, and I still have the scar. As I was searching the internet for ways to get rid of scars, I found a product for my face called Banish Acne Scar. It wasn't an acne scar, it was a scar from a surgery. But I saw the way Banish worked, and it made me all excited that it might work on my scar, so I got it. I'm gonna show you how I use it on my face, but right now, here I am using it on my scar. I'm gonna go into more detail, but you can see how this thing just rolls over scars you have, and in my case, it was one long scar. That scar of mine is very deep. I accepted that to be a permanent scar. But with this new product from Banish Acne Scar, I have hope that this scar is gonna go almost away. Here's how I used it on my face. So I got their whole line of products, and it includes a starter kit. The first product I'm gonna show you is the activated charcoal mask. This is what it looks like. It comes in a powdered form. So the recipe is, you put it in a little bowl, and then I take a 1/4 teaspoon of water, and I'm gonna mix it up. And now I'm going to put it on my face. I'm doing this shot so you can see everything I do, so I just brought a little hand mirror today. So I put it on my fingers. So I put it into my oily spots. And I'm going to let that dry. It'll take about 10 minutes. And then I just splash it off. And the next product is a pumpkin enzyme mask. And that's what it looks like. This is just to go on your bad spots. And in this case, it's going right there. And there, and there, and there. As I see, that's where the issues are. Maybe one down there too. And I'm gonna leave that on for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off. So the charcoal enzyme mask and the pumpkin mask, you don't use every day. I'm using a charcoal enzyme mask 3 times a week, and I use the pumpkin as I see a spot. You really wouldn't do back to back, but I wanted to show you how I use them. Now for the pore smasher. I keep it in my freezer. Check this out, it's super flat and slick, and it's frozen, and it's gonna numb my skin. I don't like to use numbing cream. And in a lot of procedures at a dermatologist's office, they will use numbing cream on you. And that makes my skin feel really weird for a long time. And it's a chemical. This is a natural way to numb your face. If you wake up with a puffy face, this is really good to make your face smooth really quickly before you have to get up and go to work or go out and do an errand. And also good to settle down the look of your pores. And so after I've used it, it starts to get warm. Time to go back in the freezer. So in she goes. She's got her own special spot. And now it's time for all the action, Jackson. I'm putting alcohol into a little container they send you with the kit. This is pure rubbing alcohol. And this is going to sanitize my banisher. This is the banisher roller. So you immerse the whole thing in the alcohol. You do this before and you do it after, because you need to sterilize it after too. So this Banish roller is good for 3 or 4 uses, no more than that. You can buy these separately from the company. You didn't see this, but before I made this video, I washed my hands really good with soap and water because I'm touching my skin and I don't want to pollute my skin with any germs as I do this facial. So I'm going to do my scar area first. I'm going to roll it down, pick up the banisher, and roll it down again 4 times. I aim for the scar first. From the top, roll down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I do cross hatch pattern, which is pushing it from one side across the other way, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, and it didn't hurt. Now I'm going to get the brown spots on my face. In the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4. Picking it up between each roll, and then the cross hatch way. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to get a little red, and I'm not going to wear makeup overnight. Tomorrow morning I'll put makeup on. And now for this side, and these brown spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now crosshatch. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on my chin, I have acne scars, so I'm doing that next. You can see me do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I applied moderate pressure. I didn't grind it in. It didn't hurt. It felt like maybe a little sandpaper going down my face, but not hard at all. It didn't make me wince. It felt fine. When you first get it, you might be a little scared at it, but those needles are super fine and they're not very deep, so it doesn't hurt. This stamp is great when you have a small area of scarring and you don't need to roll the whole area. So I'm taking off the lid and I'm dipping it in the alcohol. I have a big pore that bugs me. That's getting stamped. So I'm gonna aim, shoot, and fire. It's like pressing down on a sponge. Can you see? And don't forget to clean them after use. You'll need to do that, and don't forget this step. It's really important. You don't want any germs to grow on this after you've used it because it's gotten into your skin. I air dry them on a paper towel. And I'm just gonna throw that alcohol out. Alcohol is cheap. I probably could reuse that, but forget it. I don't need to, but I wanna save my cleaning container. And now it's time to put the Elixir Vitamin C Serum onto those areas. It's clear, and that's a good sign. If it turns yellow on you, that means you've waited too long to use it. You can use this every day. So I put it in the palm of my hand, and I put it on the areas that I use the roller and the stamp on. It smells great. It's beautiful. It's great to use this every day. Vitamin C is so nourishing to your skin. This will help heal my skin fast. I put it under my eyes too to get rid of those fine lines. This feels so good. And any extras, I'll go into my neck and the back of my hands. Don't waste it. It's good stuff. If I wanted to, I could have used the Pore Smasher again on my face. It didn't hurt me, so I don't really care. That treatment gave me a little tingle action, so the Pore Smasher is good if that sensation bothers you. But I'm pretty tough. It's soothing and it feels good, and you can use it before or after your vitamin C. It doesn't matter. This kit gives you a great guide on how to use it. You can follow it along. So after each use of your Banish roller, you can check that you've used it so you don't use it too many times. When it gets to time 3, that's when you order your next. And the Banish kit also comes with a Vitamin C Beauty Elixir, and it's a spray. So you can use it anytime to set your makeup or to set your face before you put foundation on. The ingredients in their masks and in their sprays and in the vitamin C serum are all natural, so they're healthy to put onto your skin. Your skin is very important because it's the biggest organ of your body, and putting natural things on your skin that your skin's going to absorb is very important. The name of the company is Banish Acne Scars, and they're very big on social media, so you can see a lot of different demonstrations of people all ages, all skin types, and how they use it. These masks are great to use if you have an acne breakout, and so is the vitamin C serum and spray, but the Banish roller and the Banish stamp are not to be used on active acne. Just wait for your breakout to go away, then you can use it. So I'm putting away my clean, sterilized roller for next time, in this case they give me. And same with the stamp. And into the carrying case it goes. So keep watching, because I'm going to bring you the after shots. So what do you think? Here's the results. Look at that scar area on my cheek. It looks so much better. And look at those brown spots. Look at the texture of my skin. My skin is very fine. It's very delicate. That Banish roller did not damage my skin. All the little holes it put into my skin made my skin have a smoother, finer appearance. My skin never bled using the Banish roller or the Banish stamp. It didn't even hurt. It barely tingled when I did it, and afterwards. Maybe it tingled for about 30 minutes, but no pain at all. And that roller was just fun. When I first looked at the Banish Acne Scar product, I was worried about all the pins on that roller. Those pins are fine. They don't hurt you at all. This one is safe, effective, and painless. So click the link below and get your Banish Acne Scar Kit. It's terrific. I enjoy it. Write in the comments below and tell me what you think and how it's working for you. And let's keep checking back with really great beauty tips for good recipes in life to look beautiful.